Hey everybody, welcome back to EZCOIN headquarters. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your EZCOIN cryptocurrency on the buyezcoin.com website. Alright, when you get there, you're going to see a whole line of products here, some really cool stuff you guys need to check out. But for this video, we're going to focus on getting EZCOIN cryptocurrency and some sort of product. So you've got a choice between a keychain and a collectible coin at this time. So let's go with the collectible coin because it's really cool. Alright, once you click on that, you'll be taken over to the product description and you'll see a little bit more information about this deal. If you notice right here, it says important, and please include your EZCOIN wallet address in the checkout notes for fastest processing. So it's going to be really important that you check out our other video if you haven't already gotten your EZCOIN web wallet address. It'll make things a lot easier if you go ahead and have that when you come to purchase your EZCOIN. If for some reason you don't have that and you do wind up purchasing this package deal and you don't have your web wallet address included, then you'll receive a redemption card right here that will include a little bit of information so that you can get those EZCOINs once you have an address for us. So let's move on. Let's add to cart. Once you've got this added to your cart, you can go to your cart, and if you scroll down, you'll see the deal you've gotten. Now, the most important thing here is to choose proceed to checkout or PayPal. And right here, this is where you need to include your web wallet address. So very important to include that EZCOIN web wallet address, or any EZCOIN wallet address will work. But that's the most important part. So fill out your information and go ahead and scroll on down. The shipping should automatically choose the right one for you, and then you have your options to pay. At this time, PayPal and Venmo have been confirmed and they are working. So I really suggest you guys head on over to EZCOIN and check out the new merchandise store they have at buyezcoin.com and take a look around and get your EZCOIN.